In this session we'll learn about Bitcoin scam. Who stole my Bitcoin? Bitcoin is basically a digital cryptocurrency. A Bitcoin is exchanged using Bitcoin address and is stored in a Bitcoin wallet. Since cybercriminals target Bitcoin because it has gained popularity and are on high valuation. Now let us look at some of these scams. Multi-level marketing scams. A pool of scammers promises high returns on Bitcoin investment. Initially, scammers will lure you to refer your friends, family to sign up for this program so that they can get you a referral card or a Bitcoin. Later, they will simply loot your Bitcoin and defraud your Bitcoin. Trusted attacks and impersonating by gaining trust and credibility. Bitcoin logo, brand and taglines are cloned to resemble as legitimate. In order to check the Bitcoin usage, the user is tricked to enter their private key. Remember, as soon as you enter your private key, your Bitcoin is lost. The fake URL is crafted to steal Bitcoin from wallet and to install bot, which we saw in our earlier session. Fee scam. You are tricked to pay a small registration fees or service charge or charge to convert your Bitcoin into cash. Spammers are there to steal your Bitcoin. Please remember. Mining scams for quick reward. Cloud mining scams by Bitzilla.